Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 12 by 16 canvas and I'm just going to be doing a flip cup. The colors that I'm using today, I've got bronze, and that's from DecoArt. And then the next color I used in a previous ring pour, and I made a ton of it. I was mixing these two colors from Liquitex. I've got iridescent bright gold and yellow medium. So those two are mixed together, and then I've got Payne's Gray, and that is from Soho Urban Artist. And then this color here is a mix of DecoArt satin enamel, soft linen with Artist Loft Floetrol, and that's the white. And I mixed these two together 50-50. And I also have the FolkArt white pearl that I might use, so I'm going to keep it here just in case. Alright, so I'm going to get my gloves on, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so after I put my gloves on, I decided to take the FolkArt white pearl, and I just put a thin layer over the whole canvas, and I'm just going to do my flip cup on there. So I've got my cup here, and I'm going to just go ahead and start putting the paint in, and I'm starting with the Payne's Gray first. Okay, and then I'm going to go with bronze. My bronze seems a little thick there, so I'm not going to use as much. It's not sinking too much, so that's a good sign. Alright, now I'm going to go with the soft linen white mix. And now I'm going to go with this. I'm probably going to do a couple of videos with this. I got a lot of it in here, you can see. All these paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And I haven't added anything. I haven't added anything to it. Get a little bit more yellow in there. Oops, let's strip it down the side. Alright, a little bit more bronze. We'll see. Alright, move these out of the way real quick. And I'm just going to flip that right on. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and lift it. Whoa, there's some really cool cells. I don't know if you can see, but that bottom of the cup looks pretty cool. I'm gonna let that sit on the corner. I love how that looks. See if I can zoom in a little for you. It looks pretty cool. Okay, we'll lift that. Got a little bit. I'm gonna go over it with my torch real quick and pop some of these air bubbles. I got some kind of big ones in there. Alright, now I'm going to lift it, move it around. I don't want to lose all of that bronze on the one corner, and then there's the yellow in the other corner. I'm just going to run it this way. I'm hoping that Payne's Gray comes up a little bit more. try to go so I don't lose too much of that, and then angle it this way. There we go. Cool. That looks really, really cool. I'm gonna just run it just a bit this way. All right, so I really like what's happening through there. I don't want to touch it. And I'm gonna let that set. Okay guys, I'm gonna take you in for a close-up. It's been about 20 minutes and I've got all kinds of detail. Very, very cool. I'm really, really liking this a lot. I wasn't sure what was gonna happen, especially right, look at all those natural cells, especially right through here. All the color was underneath it, and you can see that it's working its way up. And that bronze, I knew was going to do that. I said when I poured it in the cup that it was thick, and that's what happens. And then right over here, I love this section of the yellow gold. Got some cool lacing right there. Some more cells. I really like it a lot. It almost has like this smoky kind of look to it right up through there too. Alright, so I'm going to let it dry and I will be back. Alright, sit tight. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. I'm going to take you in for a close-up. And I just have to say that I really love everything about this painting. From all the cells to the lacing, the composition, the colors, just everything. I think it looks beautiful. Alright, so there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out all my links in my description, and have a great day.